brilliant news! I decoded the message from beyond. Listen! Finally, good reception. Listen, do not turn on the drill. The rift's damaged it. The drill destroyed our Blizar. What? But we just turned it on. Take cover! Lockdown engaged! I can try a remote shutdown. Oh, boy, a bad... Jeez! Stupid freaking drill!
I thought you loved giant machinery.
I've had a change of heart.
Suspended in the drill bead.
I'll knock it out with my hammer. Yes!
There! Capture them and take whatever they are carrying.
Oh, you guys.
We must return to the other dimension quickly. The last of them.
There's gotta be a way back around here.
Jim, please do not die, as I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
I wish I had a sad noise to play.
Rivet. Oh, no.
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it... I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the Fixer.
If it's broke, the fixer'll fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
I can't believe we saved Blizzar. How about we fix up this space quartz and save the universe? All right, folks. Let's go find the fixer.
If you are right, and the fixer is able to repair the phase quartz, we will have achieved the impossible.
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. False. You think otherwise? I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could they if... I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion parabucks. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes!
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We better keep moving. I've heard of a monk looking for Lombaxes on Savali. I wonder if Ratchet found him yet. I haven't forgotten about you, Trudy. The fixer better be ready to fix some phase quartz. Hope all's well with Ratchet.
I have not been back here since a long time ago.
I'm with you every step of the way. What's going on with Rivet?
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
Huh. I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action.
Let's get some phase quartz repaired. I hope the fixer is as good as the Morts say he is.
Yes, I hope so too. The bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this, maybe one of the Bullards in town knows where to find him. They're junk traders and very upbeat.
I hope they are more hospitable than the Bullards in my dimension. Yes, well done. bridge seems to be out of commission.
Bet it was a raid! Places like this usually have to fend for themselves against bandits. Or pirates.
Pardon me. Does anyone here know where we can find the fixer?
Guess they're being cautious.
Fixer.
New tourists? Oh! Welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
Is the Fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute! But the path to him was destroyed in the last pirate raid, so you'll need a hurl shot. Oh, and I saw one in the smelting pits further ahead. Lucky you.
The Club of Doom is now available.
So, after this, are you and Ratchet going to the Lombax dimension?
It is possible, but Ratchet is uncertain. Perhaps he is afraid
Wait,
that
afraid? Why afraid?
it is complicated.
Huh. Well, hey, if he doesn't want to go, I will. A hurl shot's gonna get us across that chasm? It's huge!
Yes, and I am not thrilled about the name either. But we must find one at the smelting pits.
No need to buy that again. That is one mighty fine enhancement. You will be missed, sweet thing.
You do get the fixer back up and running. Point him my way. I've got some primo junk with his name on it.
Ow!
Watch out!
Broken rail ahead! Here comes another one!
A smelting pit is a curious place for a hurl shot to be.
I'm guessing it has something to do with them all getting recalled recently. Something about fractured spines?
Oh, dear.
Smooth. There's a rift! Out of our way!
That was unpleasant.
Here comes a jump!
Oh, dear. This rail system seems exceedingly dangerous.
Just hang on! It goes straight to the smelting pits!
I am afraid we may end up in a smelting pit.
Whew! Made it!
Oh, no.
Avast ahoy, yo-ho, yo-ho, our time has finally come. Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems fate has brought us together again, ma petite rivette.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys, attack!
Oh dear, the pirates are raiding for scrap.
We can't let them get that hurl shot!
Perhaps it would be worth using the high ground here.
Good idea!
Shields up, mateys! All first mate be right! All hands get to plundering and scallywaggery!
But you should have seen the fixer. Such power! For the last evil!
Did you talk him to death or what?
I would love to take the credit, but no.
Grab anything that shines! Shivers and shimmer! Grab it all!
We gotta get around that shield. Hurl shot We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate-filled chasm and find the fixer. My spine!
Tis a mistake to get between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves!
We're pinned down!
This Molotov is mostly junk. What are they hoping to loot here?
Where better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet?
The longback speeds scuttling our mates! Give her no quarter! So sheep! I take it work!
So tenacious! Je t'adore! I'll looting was so boring until you arrived. So merci for livening things up.
Yeah, keep laughing, Pierre.
Does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off.
Incoming!
Then again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
Incoming!
Your penchant for meddling is most annoying with it. Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
Ha! I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story. Hello, everyone!
Going to, dance?
No, we are not.
There'd be no plan for ye to walk here. Your end lies with them. I'm gonna enjoy it with you. This is what she gets for trying to steal what is ours.
What's yours? Ha!
You're not going to scuttle me!
man ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be expenses?
Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted! Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
Lock and load! You gonna love that upgrade! Go ahead, upgrade that! Decide now!
Gotta admit, the fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
That's my experience with big robots, but we'll see. Another pocket dimension. What do you think? Might be fun.
I can be persuaded.
Oh, that smell is so... Maybe it's time for one last speedle ride. Wow! Ooh, I love the look of that. Now, where's the exit? Yep, still weird.
Weird, but fascinating.
Okay, now, on to the fixer. Almost there!
Vodieger says they be fixing to fix the fixer! So fix them a quick death!
They're gonna pay for making us scuttle our own ship! Cut them down, matey!
Too close to the fixer!
Got some solid cover here, and it looks like I could flank them from the sides, too.
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself.
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy! Or the fools aren't to fix the fixer!
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
How will I go on without my greatest foe? No chance!
Sassy backpack.
You guys aren't very good at this.
Do not lump me into the failure. I am merely the face of the operation.
Perhaps now Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
The vexer be done for, and so shall ye!
Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
I be honored to blaspheme myself. Your scraggly neck will fester Pierre no more. Your tail will be a fine swab for our gangs.
Had enough yet?
Try that again, Lombax!
What if the face quartz cannot be fixed?
And we're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
What if the face quartz cannot be fixed?
And we're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
I guess we have to turn him on first.
Was he turned on because he was broken?
Huh! This must be the fixer's on switch! Hello? Are you, okay?
No. I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh my.
At least the pirates are taken care of!
Please focus on the grinding.
At least the pirates are taken care of!
Please focus on the grinding.
He's bringing the whole place down!
Junk ahead.
Fixing is a vain and fleeting measure. Destruction is our natural state.
What is he, the breaker now?
I see a fellow broken one. You must accept your brokenness.
Is he talking about me?
Because of your arm? Don't listen to him, Bolts. If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're pretty awesome. Do you have any ideas? Because I'm having a hard time thinking while running away from a giant homicidal robot!
I am working on it.
The mine's collapsing. Great.
Men with license. I am not deserving of enlightenment. I have no wisdom.
Wisdom. I may have an idea.
I'm all ears.
I am broken. I cannot fix. I cannot be fixed.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Oh dear.
Can everything stop falling apart, please?
I am fixed.
What are you doing?
Improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I am quite relieved. When the Bullards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost. How can I ever repay you both?
Can you fix this? Thank you.
You just gave an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Phew. Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
So, sorry, one sec.
When you find something you like. More power is always a good thing. Oh, my stars! That is a good one! I do hate.
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
I thank you, Rivet.
Wow! What's Ratchet doing right now? This is an ocean.
Pretty cool, right? And just think, Once we forge this thing and save the dimension, you'll have a whole universe to explore.
How are you not afraid of the future? With all of its unknowns.
I do get, well, you asked me on Savali if I wanted to find my family. For a long time, I did. I mean, I really did. But the closer I got to doing that, what if they're not what I expected? What if I'm not what they expected? Anyways, I think we're here.
Kadaro Station houses the Emperor's most secret research, including the only Rubion forge strong enough to build the Dimensionator.
So it's our only shot. Good to know.